Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I'll show you how to check your spending limit in the Tabby. So whether you're new to Tabby or just unsure where to look, this guide will help. Start by launching the Tabby app on your phone and log in with your registered account. Once logged in, your spending limit usually appears right on the main dashboard. It's typically labeled as available limit or similar. For more information, after that, tap on your profile icon in the top right. Select My Limit or Available Balance. Here you'll see how much you can spend, your current obligations, and your full credit limits. Keep in mind your Tabby limit can change based on your payment history, how often you use Tabby, outstanding balances, and your shopping behavior on partner stores. If you want to increase your spending limit, always pay on time, avoid missing any installments, and use Tabby regularly for purchases. And that's it. You now know how to fill and find and manage your Tabby spending limits with ease. If this helped, don't forget to like and check out the video description for more app tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.